welcome back. So in today's video we are going to learn how to find out the square root of perfect squares. So for this, first we need to learn the meaning of the term like square, square root and perfect squares. So square means when we multiply a number twice or when we multiply a number by itself, we will get the square of the number. Let's take one example like 6. When we multiply 6 by itself, then we will get the square of the number. We write it like this and we read like 6 raised to the power 2. What we will get? 6 6 ja 36. This means 36 is the square of 6. Similarly, let's take another number 9. Now to find out the square of 9, we need to multiply 9 by itself. So we will multiply 9 multiplied by 9, or it should be 9 raised to the power 2. It will be 9 9 ja 81. This means here 36 and 81. These are the square numbers or perfect squares. Okay. For square root, we always use this symbol. This is used for square root. Let's take one number. Suppose we have to find out the square root of number 4. Then what we generally do? We do the prime factorization. 2 multiplied by 2, and then from the pair we will write it once. This means the square root of 4 will be 2. Okay, or 2 is the square root of 4 because 2 square is 4. So in today's video we will learn how to find out the square root of greater numbers, 3-digit number, 4-digit numbers or 5-digit numbers without doing this prime factorization. Today we will use one of the most important trick that will save your time. Okay, now I have made a table here. Now on the basis of this table or by using this table, we will quickly find out the square root of these given numbers. So first I am explaining this table. These are the numbers from 1 to 10. Here I have written the squares of number. Square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. 2 2s are 4. Square of 3 is 9. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 5 is 25. 6 square 36. 7 square is 49. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 9 is 81 and square of 10 is 100. By learning only these 10 squares, you can quickly find out the square root of any number. And here I have written the last digit of the squares. This means here the last digit is 1, here 4, here 9, here it is in 16. The last digit or the unit place digit is 6. Here it is 5, here 6, here 9 and so on. So now we will learn how to find out the square root of these numbers. Here the first number is 576. So our first step is to make the pair. Okay. From right hand side. Then we will check the last digit. It is 6. So we can see 6 comes in the square of 4 or in the square of 6. 6 square is 36 or 4 square is 16. This means the last digit of the square root will either be 4 or be 6. Now we will check for the 5. This means here the 5 lies between the square of 2 or 3. Square of 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 and 5 lies between them. So we will always take the smaller number. Between 2 and 3 we will take 2. This means our second digit, it will be 2. Now this means our square root of 576 will either be 24 or be 26. So now we will check which one is the answer. So for this we will check one more square of middle digit, that means 25. square. And this I have already discussed in my previous video, that how to find out the squares of number ending with 5. So it's very easy. Again I am explaining. 5 square is 25, and then we will multiply this number to its successor. 2 3s are 6. So it is 625. And here the given number is 576. So 576 is less than 625. This means here our answer will be 24. The square root of 576 will be 24. Okay. Similarly, we will do this one. So first we will make the pairs from the right hand side. Okay. Then we will check for the last digit. It is 24. Last digit is 4. So 4 comes in the square of 2 or in the square of 8. This means our last digit will be either 2 or 8. Okay. Now we will check this number 10. So we can see that 10 lies between the square of 3 and 4. Square of 3 is 9 and square of 4 is 16. So 10 lies between these two numbers, and we will always take the smaller one. So we will write 3 here and 3 here. So this means the square root of 1024 will be either 32 or 38. So to check that what will be the answer, we will check one more square of number ending with 5. We will check the square of 35. Okay, as I have already told you, it's very simple to find out the square of numbers ending with 5. 5 square is 25, and to the 3 we will multiply to its successor. 3 4 are 12. So it is 1225, which is greater than this number. This number is greater than this. This means here our answer will be 32. Okay, this. So again, first step is to make the pair. It is 16, then 21. And then we will check the ones place digit, or 6. 6 come again. We know that 6 comes in the square of 4 or in the square of 6. So here it will be 4, here it will be 6. Now our next step is to check these numbers. 21. And we know that 21 lies between the square of 4 and square of 5. Square of 4 is 16, square of 5 is 25. And 21 lie between these two. And we will take the smaller one. So we will write 44 and 46. So this means its square root will either be 44 or 46. Now we will check, only the last step is to check the square of number ending with 5. It is 45. What will be the square of 45? 5 square is 25, and then multiply 4 by its successor. 4 5s are 20. This means 2025 we get. So we can clearly see that this number is greater than this. So this means here our answer will be 46, because the square of 45 is 2025, and this number is greater than this. Okay, so this means 44 can't be our square root. Our square root will be 46. Now move on to the next one. Make the pairs. Then check the ones place digit. 4 comes in the square of 2 or square of 8. Right here 2, right here 8. Okay. Then check this number 67. 67. We know that the square of 8 is 64. Square of 9 is 81. So it will lie between the square of 8 and square of 9. And we will take the smaller one. That means we will write 8 here. Now again to check which will be our answer, 82 or 88. We will check one more square of 85. So square of 85. 5 square is 25 and 8 to the 8 we will multiply by its successor. 8 nines are 72. It means 7225. And we can see that this number 6724 is less than 7225. So our answer will be 82. This means the square root of 6724 will be 82. Now I hope that you understood how to find out the square root of perfect square. So if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.